Hi everyone, in this video we are going to get you set up for the course. This is assuming you're on a Mac computer. So for the setup we're going to install Anaconda and PyCharm on your computer. Anaconda is Python plus some other really useful packages which will be helpful in the course. PyCharm is an IDE, and the purpose of PyCharm is it's a place where you can write down all your code and then run that code and see the output. So uh, also, of course, you can install whatever you want to get Python on your computer. It's completely up to you, but here are two good options. So we'll start by installing Anaconda. We're going to click the first link and go down to the download link here. Just click. We're going to go to the Mac OS installer and the 64-bit graphical installer. Just click there. And once that's done, we are going to click this download link and the installer will start for Anaconda. Click the link, the installer will pop up, click continue, and keep clicking continue and then agree. Go ahead and click install. So this will take a little bit. While it tries to install, we can go back to our course website. And we're going to go to the PyCharm section of the Getting Set Up page. So click the PyCharm link to go to PyCharm. And from this page, we are going to download PyCharm. Click download. We're going to get the community version, that's the free version. Click download. And you're going to get a pop-up on your bottom left if you're using Chrome, I believe. So click keep. And once that's done, we will be able to install PyCharm as well. Let's see how our Anaconda installation is doing. So with this, it's just installing Anaconda. Once this finishes, we will complete this installation and then move to PyCharm. Okay, so once this is completed, we can just go ahead and click continue. Close this window, move to trash, and go to the PyCharm link here. So this is going to install PyCharm onto our computer. Once we see this window, we just have to drag this PyCharm icon into applications. Once that's done, we can close this window, go to the Finder in the top right, go ahead and type PyCharm. You should see it here. Looks like it's still indexing, so it might take a bit. This Mac's running very slow today, so everything is taking a little bit longer than I'd like, but in your case, you should just be able to type PyCharm and see it here. Let's try it again. Still no. Let's try applications. Well, we see it there. Eventually, you should see it here in your Finder. But a workaround is to go here and then click on Applications, PyCharm CE. Double click that. So go ahead and click Open. From here, we can make a new project. So just click this New Project button. And here it's important that we configure this. So new environment, not using virtual env, but using Conda. And wherever your anaconda is the location of your environment. We're going to use Python 3.8, and our conda executable should already be there. This might be checked off, create a main.py welcome script. Just make sure it's not checked off because we don't really need it. Not a problem if it is, but it's not necessary. Go ahead and click Create. Close this window. So once this loads, we'll be able to see our project and make our first Python file. Okay, so now we see Python Project 2. You could have named it whatever you want, but click here on the folder, do a right click, go to New, and then from here go to Python File. Type in whatever name you want for your first program. I'll call it Hello World. Click Python File or click Enter. Okay, so from here, we can run our first program. We'll go ahead and type the following code. Print Hello World. So from here, we can go to Run, click Run again. And if your computer is a little bit faster than mine, it'll show the program. So let's try this again. We'll go Run, click Run again. Eventually, your program should show up here. There we go. So click Hello World to run your program. Alright, so the program ran successfully. From this code, we were able to get the following output, which means that you have Anaconda on your computer, and you also should have PyCharm now working properly. If you have both of those things, then you're good for the rest of the course. And if you don't, or if you have any problems, feel free to email me or one of the TAs, or even talk with other students to get some help. So that's it for today. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one.